Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to use Google Trends to find products to sell. So first thing that you will do is simply go to trends.google.com and this will be their homepage. And now from here, just simply go ahead and select explore over here at the top. And now just simply go ahead and select a filter. So just simply select a location over here. So just simply select your location and you will have here the time frame. So from here, you could search products and you could just simply choose one of these, or you could go for shopping, for example. Let's say I'm going to add a search term. Let's say I'm going to focusing on drink. And now another one is, let's say, energy drink. And now from here, as you can see on my current location, which is Philippines, most of the people use drink in the web search rather than energy drink. So let's say I'm going to go for worldwide over here. And from here, the drink keyword is much more higher volume search than energy drink. You could also filter it out by web search, image search, news search, Google Shopping, or YouTube search. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this is the location of the people who uses drink. And this will be some of the related topics about drinks over here. There you go. See ya.